now the exercise 2.1. In exercise 2.1 we have to solve. We have to solve this. Means we here whole numbers and fractions are given. We have to add them, we have to subtract them. Okay, so means we have to add and subtract the fractions here. Let's learn how to add and how to subtract the fractions and the whole numbers. Let's see the solution of questions. Okay, here we have to subtract 3 by 5 from 2. Okay, so there is no denominator given in 2. So if there is no denominator, it means there is 1. So what are the denominators here? 1 and 5. So first we have to take the LCM of denominators. Okay, so 5 1 ja 5. What is the LCM of denominator? 5. Okay, so 5. So what should be we so when we have to subtract or add any fractions, they always be their denominators are common. Their denominators should be common, then we can subtract and add the fraction. Otherwise we can't add or subtract the fractions if their denominators are differ. Okay, now so we have, if we have to make their common denominators common, so first we have to take their LCM. So LCM of denominators 1 and 5 is 5. So यहाँ पर हमको 5 चाहिए in both denominators. So what should we multiply? 1 to get the LCM or to get the product 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. So multiply numerator and denominator by 5. Okay, what should we multiply here? In this denominator 5 to get the product 5 is already 5, so by 1. So if we are multiplying 5 by 1, then multiply its numerator 3 by 1. Okay, now 2 into 5 is 10, 1 into 5 is 5, 3 into 1 is 3, 5 into 1 is 5. Now see, the denominators of both fractions are common, which is 5. So now we'll write this common denominator 1 times and the 10 minus 3 like this. Okay, 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 upon 5. So 7 upon 5 is the answer. Okay, now second part, 4 plus 7 upon 8. Here we subtract the denominator, fractions. Here we have to add the fractions. 4 is a whole number and 7 upon 8 is a fraction. Which type of fraction? Proper fraction, because here numerator is less than denominator. Okay, so there is no denominator given in 4, so there is 1. So 4 upon 1, 7 upon 8. So we'll take the LCM of 1 and 8. So when, which is the smallest number to which will, when we divide it by 2, which is the smallest number, and 8 is its multiple is 2. So 1 as it is, 2 4s are 8. Now 1 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. So what is the LCM? LCM is 8. Okay, so what is a number when we multiplied in 1 to get the product 8 is 8. 1 into 8 is 8. If we are multiplying denominator by 8, so multiply its numerator by 8. Here, what is the number to when we multiply it by 8 to get the product 8 is 1. 8 into 1 is 8. So multiply its denominator 7 by 1. Okay, 4 8s are 32. 8 in 1 into 8, 8. 7 into 1, 7. 8 into 1, 8. Now see, their denominators are common. So write it 1 times and add the numerators. 32 plus 7, and 32 plus 7 is 39. So 39 upon 8 is the answer of second part. Now the third part is 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Now also their denominators are different, so we have to take LCM of 5 and 7. Let's see the LCM of 5 and 7. So 5 is a, here 5 and 7. 5 and 7 both are the prime number. Prime numbers means there is no factor other than 1 and 5. So we'll take the 5, which is the smallest number if we compare 5 and 7. So 5 1 ja 5, 7 as it is, because 7 is not a multiple of 5. 7 is also a prime number. Now 7 1 ja 7. So the product of 5 and 7 is the LCM. Product of 5 and 7 is 5 into 7 is 35. So this 35 is the LCM of 5 and 7. So here what will multiply? What will multiply in 5 to get the product 35 is 7. 5 into 7 is 35. So 5 into 7. So now multiply 3, which is numerator of 5, also by 7. Plus, so plus. If there is minus, so minus. 2 upon 7. What will multiply in this 7 to get the product 35? 7 5 to 35. So multiply it by 5. If we are multiplying denominator by 5, so multiply its numerator by 5. Now, why we are multiplying the common number in denominator and numerator? Because when we cancel them, there is no changes in the given number. If we only multiply its denominator by 7 and if we not multiply its numerator by 7, then there is change in denominator. And दोनों में multiply कर दिया तो 7 cancel out by 7 means no changes in given number, okay, given fraction. Now 3 into 7, 21. 5 7 is 35 plus 2 5 is 10 and 7 5 is 35. Now see, there is common denominator. So write the common denominator one time, add it the numerators. And numerators are 21 and 10. 21 and 10 is 31 upon 35. That's it. So this is the answer.